Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust fan speed on ASRock motherboard. To do this, first you will need to open BIOS. Inside, navigate to advanced mode in the top right corner of the screen. Here we can find HW monitor, scroll down and locate the chassis fans. So they are named like that, and on this particular motherboard we have 3 fans for chassis and I think 2 fans, no, 1 fan for the CPU, because that's a pump included. Then if you want to adjust the speed, you need to find the chassis fan setting or CPU fan setting, select the mode right here, and you can switch between customize, which allows you to adjust the settings manually, silent mode, standard mode, performance mode or full speed mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.